Philippine Navy sources said the force has made a request for funding and have initiated pre-procurement processes for the procurement of additional anti-submarine warfare helicopters. The Philippine Navy has recently invested heavily in its service force, and anti-submarine helicopters will be essential assets to match its upcoming major service naval warships. According to the Philippine Navy, there will be a minimum of 2 helicopters added. The plan could push up to 6 helicopters, allowing 1 helicopter for each of the 2 new corvettes, and 4 helicopters could be assigned with the new offshore patrol vessels. As of this time, the Philippine Navy has 2 AgustaWestland Wildcat AW159 anti-submarine helicopters, which are assigned to BRP Jose Rizal and BRP Antonio Nula. The options available to the Philippine Navy could be the Sikorsky MH-60R Seahawk and the Leonardo AgustaWestland AW159 Wildcat. The Wildcat will have an advantage as the Philippine Navy has operated 2 since 2019. The helicopters can be armed with rockets, machine guns, missiles, torpedoes, and depth charges, and fitted with modern sonar systems for tracking down submarines. The AW159 Wildcat is said to perform well in Philippine Navy service, while the MH-60R Seahawk is more expensive, despite the general consensus from other global navies that the MH-60R Seahawk is superior to the Wildcat, including the Republic of Korea Navy, which operate both helicopter types. The AW159 Wildcat is a further development of the Westland Lynx. It is the first helicopter by AgustaWestland to be designed inside an entirely digital environment. A glass cockpit comprises the primary human-machine interface, using 4 multifunction displays to provide information to the air crew and interact with the avionics systems on board. The Wildcat features an increased payload and range over the preceding Super Lynx. It is operationally required to carry up to 8 future anti-surface guided weapons, up to 185 kilometers from a host ship, and remain on station for up to an hour. The type can perform aerial reconnaissance, anti-submarine warfare, anti-surface warfare, utility, fire control, command and control, and troop transport duties. Meanwhile, MH-60R Seahawk is a proven anti-submarine platform in many countries around the world. Main mission of the MH-60R Seahawk are anti-submarine warfare and anti-surface warfare. This helicopter can detect and track submarines and surface ships and attack with torpedoes and missiles. The Seahawk has advanced mission systems and sensors. It carries advanced airborne active sonar, multi-mode search radar, and nose-mounted forward-looking infrared turret. Also, it carries air-launched sonar buoys. The MH-60R has improved offensive capabilities comparing with SH-60B or SH-60F. It has step wings and can carry 2 Mark 46, Mark 50 or Mark 54 light air-launched torpedoes, 2 AGM-119B Penguin anti-ship missiles, or 4 AGM-114 Hellfire air-to-surface missiles, a single-door mounted 7.62mm or 12.7mm machine gun can be fitted. For the Philippine Navy, the procurement request will only be able to be processed within fiscal year 2024. In the meantime, the Philippine Navy and Department of National Defense can start pre-procurement negotiations and discussions with both Sikorsky and Leonardo, as well as the respective home country governments of both companies.